Lena took a video of Lightning, and it was Lightning watching himself on television, playing with the toy, trying to get it. Oh, that's hilarious. He must be wondering who that other cat is.
Go, Lightning, go. Oh no, now he knows it's him.
He's getting mad because the other cat has the toy.
Let him rest.
That's pretty funny. Lightning's a problem in the morning. I'm just going through the news, and he's following the mouse pointer around the screen. He keeps looking behind the screen of the laptop. See where the mouse pointer... Maybe it's back here now. He does seem to like dog and cat stories when I'm watching the news. He's going to figure it out pretty soon that... See, he's looking behind. Like, where is this? What's going on here? How do I get back into this action? It's a different dimension, Lightning.
Don't play with that, Lightning. Don't knock the salt and pepper off.
He's pretty good at knocking stuff off our counters, as all cats are. And we forgot, we haven't had cats for a couple of months. I mean, a couple of years. And we forgot that you have to really cat-proof your house. So pill bottles.
He's trying to get his own tail.
That is very funny. Okay, we're going to let him have his fun. I'm closing this down.